I got my first Amazon order.
Just give me the address. Yes, of course. Oh, they'll be totally discreet. Thank you. We got one!
How in the world's your day going? Mine's pretty good. First order ever on my Amazon store, folks. $39, but hey, that's a sale. We're gonna take it. So y'all can follow along as we fulfill the very first order from the Spike's Prospecting Shop, Amazon Handmade Artisan Store. Boy, that's a lot to have to say, ain't it? Holy moly. Yeah, just remember Spike's Gold, okay? Y'all stick with me. Let's get this in a box and get it out to this guy. Be good. Welcome to the channel. I'm Spike. This is my prospecting shop. Well, this is my little office. But what I do is I make gold prospecting equipment. I sell it on Amazon Handmade, Etsy, and eBay, and well, Facebook Marketplace, and out the back door and front door, anywhere I can, okay? So the newest platform is the Amazon Handmade Store, and I decided to try it out because, well, if you get approved, it's no fees to sell, and then you only pay 15% when you sell something. So looking at the way I look at numbers, I think it's going to be my best option to make the most money. Plus, it's the biggest platform to sell on. So we're going to see if Amazon Handmade is going to pan out for us. But at least we finally got our first sale. So we're going to document it today, box it up, and getting that first sale out of here. And just, well, I know we ought to do everything right. We got a lot to learn. So I'm going to wait for all of y'all to give me some comments in the comment there to tell me what I need to do better. I know I need a better little note to put in there, but I don't know exactly what to put on it yet, guys. So y'all handmade guys, please give me a little note and give me some ideas on what y'all think we should put in that box before I do something crazy and get myself in trouble. So I don't want to say the wrong thing or send the wrong thing out to somebody. So hey, thanks a lot for coming by, and I appreciate you. Just subscribe if you get a chance, and ring that little bell so you know, because I do a lot of live broadcasts. Got an Etsy order to do and an eBay order, but I ain't worried about videoing them. I just want to get this Amazon order on the video and get it out, because this is the very first one, and I want people to see, well, you can sell on Amazon Handmade, and it works. We're going to go out to the shop where it's cold, get this thing all ordered up, boxed up, ready to go. Let's get one of these solutions off the wall, out of the shelf here, and box them up there. Let's get her boxed up out here. Looks like everything's all ready to go. Let's get it boxed. Let's get one of these in the box. Get her on going. Hey, what it takes to get moving. This is a production shop, so I do make a little dust. So I keep the dust out and clean one of these parts real good before I send it out to somebody. Once they get it, when you get one of these, take it, give it a good scrubbing down with some Dawn dishwashing detergent before you take it to the creek. So hey, let's box and stand up and get it on the way to this thing. Nothing fancy about doing a box, folks. Nothing special with the first one. The first ammo's on. I think I'm liking this. He ordered a gold round, so we're gonna drop him a gold round in this box. And I got some little sucker bottles I give away, not to everybody, but since he's the first Amazon order, he's gonna get that. A handful of my little stickers. I'll save one for the outside. We'll close him up. What if I should write something inside the box? No, you know what I'll do. I had the wife write this little note. Sir, thanks for being my first Amazon order. If you need anything, call me at, and gave him my phone number, and said thank you, Spike. So I'm gonna drop this in with it, with some stickers and a sucker bottle. And if he has any questions, he can give me a call about it. He can go to the website and learn all about how to run this thing and how to use it, and how it was made, and well, it's all there. First order for Amazon's going out the door. I'm fixing to put the address on it, hit the button and tell it it's shipped. And take it down the street to the post office. So hey, we're gonna get it out of here. And do what's gotta be done. Thank you. Go to Amazon seller. We're not gonna rate anything right now. We're gonna manage this order. It's the first time doing this, so y'all bear with me while I do this here. Let's put this guy's name here on his package. Got our package packed up. We're gonna run down to the post office, come back, put the information in the computer until it's been shipped. Let's get with it. Well, I got today's orders in the boxes in the truck, in the car here. Ready to run down to the post office. I got my tester stuff over here. A little sluice I'm working on. So we'll work with that and see how that works out a little bit. So let's get this thing to the post office and get it out of here. Speaking of that, what kind of thing interests you, like Gold Prospecting or Amazon Handmade or just any of the craziness I run into? Me and the grandkids are teaching gold prospecting classes. So if you're into that kind of thing or want to share it with people, please do, and I'd appreciate you. If you're watching this, subscribe so you can follow along on my journey.